Hi, in this video we'll learn about project scope management. Project scope management is one of the 10 knowledge areas in the PMBOK. Project scope management includes the processes required to ensure that the project includes all the work required and only the work required to complete the project successfully. Managing the project scope is primarily concerned with defining and controlling what is and is not included in the project. It has 6 processes. Let's go through these 6 processes one by one. The first process is plan scope management. This is a process of creating a scope management plan that documents how the project scope will be defined, validated, and controlled. The key benefit of this process is that it provides guidance and direction on how scope will be managed throughout the project. The main output of this process is a document called Scope Management Plan. The second process is to collect requirements. This is a process of determining, documenting, and managing stakeholder needs and requirements to meet project objectives. The key benefit of this process is that it provides the basis for defining and managing the project scope, including product scope. The main output of this process is requirements documentation. The third process is define scope. This is the process of developing a detailed description of the project and product. The key benefit of this process is that it describes the project, service, or result boundaries by defining which of the requirements collected will be included in or excluded from the project scope. The main output of this process is project scope statement. The fourth process is create WBS. This is the process of subdividing project deliverables and project work into smaller, more manageable components. The key benefit of this process is that it provides a structured vision of what has to be delivered. The main output of this process is a scope baseline. The fifth process is validate scope. This is the process of formalizing acceptance of the completed project deliverables. The key benefit of this process is that it brings objectivity to the acceptance process and increases the chance of final product, service, or result acceptance by validating each deliverable. The main output of this process is accepted deliverables. The sixth process is control scope. This is the process of monitoring the status of the project and product scope and managing changes to the scope baseline. The key benefit of this process is that it allows the scope baseline to be maintained throughout the project. The main output of this process are work performance information and change requests. Hope you find this video useful. Visit us at PassPMP.in for more videos on project management. Thank you.